What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on a 2013 Toyota Tundra TRD off-road four-wheel drive truck. In the last video, we did put in the huge 3-inch lift kit from torchoffroad.com. And we need one more thing that we really needed to set this truck off was a new set of wheels. So FedEx, they did drop off these boxes, these brand new wheels that we got for this truck. I think y'all are gonna love them. So let's get this sucker opened up. Let's put it up on the tailgate of the truck. Let's open it all up and see what we got. Alrighty, check these things out. These things are beautiful. These are RT 105, 18x9 with a -12 offset, and this is a Tundra bolt pattern 5x150. They came from Rocktrix. Their customer service is absolutely phenomenal. They helped us out. They answered all our questions. They hooked us up. And they did tell us that they're in the process of creating their own lug nuts right now, but they don't have them yet. So these are the lug nuts that they recommended that we get for these wheels. I will put the link to the wheels in the description, and I'll also put the link to these lug nuts in the description. So these are the lug nuts and they're spline nuts. But what we got is we got a beautiful black wheel to go on this beautiful white truck. And with any wheel, and Rocktrix is no different, they want you to make sure and check your wheel out, make sure it fits before you take it to have the tires put on. We do have an appointment tomorrow to get the tires put on this truck. So let's pull it in the shop, let's jack it up, let's make sure this wheel fits, kind of see what it's gonna look like. I'm super excited, I cannot wait. Let's check it out. Alrighty guys, check that wheel out. It looks absolutely amazing. We couldn't be happier with the way this thing is looking. Man, I wish I had the tires on it already so we could just set it down on the ground and take it cruising and show y'all how it all looks. It is a beautiful wheel. It's So we got our wheels, we got our lug nuts, we're ready to go. As you can see, it fits perfectly with no issues whatsoever. So we're gonna go ahead and get this sucker off, put it back in the box, load everything up in the truck, and be ready to take it out to the tire shop to get the tires put on. Alrighty guys, check it out. We got the wheels put on this beautiful truck. I think they turned out absolutely amazing. We couldn't be happier with the way these things turned out. The folks over at Rocktrix, they really hooked us up with this. The white on black, it's absolutely beautiful. It's amazing. Their customer service is unmatched. You click the button to buy the wheels. A couple of days later, they just show up. I couldn't be happier. I'm so glad that we got these wheels. We got this truck looking just exactly like we want it. We're taking it all in. We drove up on the top of the mountain today just to show it to y'all, to show you the beauty of the truck and the beauty of Mother Nature. We couldn't be more proud of it, guys. It is going to be my daily driver for a while, so we may do some more stuff to it along the way. That we can do a price reveal if y'all want to do it. If you want me to reveal the total cost of what we got in this truck, just drop it in the comments and we certainly will. But you know what? I think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Go ahead and drop us a like. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. Be sure and leave us a comment. Until next time, we're out.